Today, another quick fix for the Triumph TR4A. One of the issues that we've struggled with is a hood that closes, but it's very tough to close. And the reason is the alignment on the hood, while pretty good down here, is a little bit off up here, and it wants to touch this chrome strip. All right, so I'll show you the other side here. Again, pretty hood, it's painted well, but you see the other side, it's got a lot wider. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the hinges, and more specifically, we're going to adjust how the hood is mounted to the hinges. All right, so what we've got here are 3 bolts, and same on the other side, that there's a little bit of wiggle. So we're going to keep the hood up. It's propped up right now. And we're just going to try to tap the hood over a smidge. You go too far and you're going to have the same problem on the other side. So this is what we're doing. We'll see how it works. All right, we have the hood adjusted now. A lot of finagling. It's a little bit of hammering, but really just getting those bolts off and getting the hood to slide over a bit. You don't want to take them off so much that the hood gets totally out of whack, but right now the gap is probably still slightly wider on this side. Not much, but slightly. But the hood is now closing good without hitting any of the chrome bodywork there, which is wonderful. Show it to you here. You can see there's now a gap over here and the hood is completely shut. So I was getting really worried that I was going to damage this hood. It's in pretty darn nice condition. It's, you know, you can see how it's shining right now, reflecting those bicycles up on the ceiling and the Corvette over there on the lift. But anyway, the job is not, I would say it's not hard, but you do need to have a little finesse and just kind of slowly work those bolts out until you can get it to move over a little bit. 2 hands might be, 4 hands, 2 people might also be helpful to this job. But overall, satisfied with it. Could we adjust it more? Maybe. Try to get those gaps exactly even on both sides. But I think now it is close. It's very, very close. Appreciate you guys watching today. Like or subscribe. We're going to have more TR4A content coming, and certainly more repairs on other vehicles too. So subscribe if you want more of that. Thanks and have a great day.